that's happening out here around Bucksville.
All right.
So once again, there is
We should be live here. So we're gonna give everyone just a moment to join up, and I gotta have a moment to.
Considerable damage threat, flash flood warning. So we'll see what's going on up there. Hopefully,
to do something real quick. My weather-wise is bugging right now. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but it is bugging. And I reopen it. There we go. Okay. So, before let's just kind of let's just kind of give everybody a moment to join up here.
But for now, we're just going to watch it on radar. Once again, a tight area of rotation starting to show up here. We do have a tornado warning now north of Beatrice in Nebraska. This is Gage County. Take shelter now.
Okay.
Coming back down to Brad Arnold's point of view. Look at the rain.
So.
Look at the wall of rain coming towards.
All right, we should be good. All right, so tomorrow
Beatrice, not Beatrice. Okay, Beatrice.
Monday we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather going for the northern portion of our state. Let's actually pull up our thingy. So let's go over to here. So here is our risk here. Actually, let me just. I'm gonna make this easier on myself.
Okay, big time rotation on this between DeWitt and Hogue.
Okay, so right here. So on Monday we have an enhanced risk of severe weather that includes Enid in Pocket City going all the way down into Stillwater. So the SPC is labeling very concerning. If you're in the orange here, very concerning activity could go on. Let's see,
This other storm could come pretty close.
Now, actually, here, I'm just gonna open one thing real quick, guys. Hold up. So the SPC, we can jump back over to here. So actually, this is the first time the SPC has ever issued a SIG 2 enhanced risk on literally 3 days out. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it's true. We have not had a risk like this at all. We've had we've had SIG 2 risks before, but we have not actually had so I'm trying to do something at this moment. We've not actually had a day 3 SIG 2. Okay, let's go here. Alright. So yeah. So the main area of concern, this kind of gives us of where things are going to be happening, and where the most concerning stuff is going to be happening. I believe that that a lot of the concerning action will be happening in northern Oklahoma. That's
first try, 0 coaching, okay? Additionally, we still have a tornado warning over here in Sheridan County.
So, especially with a more dramatic catching as near Alva, we could see strong tornadoes in this area.
For just 11 more minutes. There is still some rotation here. I got a team of storm chasers on this. All I see is
So even the hatch risky goes all the way down to Altus Lofted. No, it's not that bad over there, but still, it's still a single one hatch risk. So you still need to be looking out. So we're gonna get to what the radar could look like in just a little bit. Just give me a moment here. Bear with me.
Wait. Is that sound Corey's vehicle choking on the dust?
Now, I do want to note that we could see a little storm go up later in the night. It won't be anything crazy. I don't even think it'll be severe necessarily. But we do have a chance that a little storm ends up becoming severe. A little bit.
There's like debris coming out of the dust.
Okay, let's pull up.
This vehicle is struggling. It did not sound like this.
Okay.
These minutes
All right.
just absolutely going through the sand and the dust. Oh, Jordan Hall's right in front of it. And look at that. Wow. So Corey's inside of that.
Alright, I'm experiencing some technical difficulties, so just give me one moment here.
So, yeah, Corey Gergen is inside of that.
Boom. I don't want to go into Canada, no.
You can see that Jordan is just outside of it now.
Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so it shows that we could see an ice. So our first storms are probably going to be going on around 4 p.m. Around 4 p.m. we're actually going to have this little cell possibly go up near right between the Oklahoma and Kansas border. Now I do want to note that this is the RRFS, the Rufus model, however you want to say it. It tends to overestimate things. It may not be intensely accurate, but it will still give us a slight idea on what the storms could look like. So tomorrow morning we will have the HBR model, and that is known to be one of the more accurate models to go with. So our next thing shows 5 p.m. and we're gonna have strong storms forming right in the northwestern Oklahoma area, and more storms trying to form near Elk City. Not anything crazy quite yet, but we could see actually it could be a little crazy. You could see a couple tornadoes come out of these storms. Alright, next. So we're gonna have these are gonna be a broken squall line around 6 p.m. here. So prepare for a kind of what seems to be a broken. Wait, this is Sunday. My bad. Okay, I'm looking at the wrong list. My bad, guys. Oof. Let's actually go to Monday. But there is a risk of severe weather on Sunday, and I didn't even know that. Okay, so our actual event. My bad, guys. Scratch that. The actual event starts around 2 p.m. On Monday. We will have an explosive supercell already forming between the Panhandle and western Oklahoma. This could be a storm to drop a tornado really quickly. Around Elias County, going to Woodward County, and Custer County, or Harper County. Now this is that at 4 p.m. this becomes a long squall line of storms. still hanging out between the Panhandle and western Oklahoma. But then we'll have another cell. Now I do want to note that we will have another storm actually to form in the eastern Oklahoma area near Muskogee. This storm is gonna be capable of producing some big hail. I mean, look at that. We have 70 dBz from a storm near Muskogee. This is not even, not necessarily even, let's see here. Okay. So then our next, so then 6 p.m. we have 6 p.m. Storms are going to be now moving out of the area. You could say that's it. You're not gonna be saying that's it after what actually could happen tomorrow. I don't think this is gonna be it. We could still see more storm development, but then so Tuesday. But also this model typically skips some hours at some point, so things could happen in between the hours here. But more stuff, but this is kind of giving an idea of what the storm will look like tomorrow. Or sorry, not tomorrow, Monday. Now Tuesday, we're not done on Tuesday. We have another slight risk. We have a slight risk of severe weather that goes for Oklahoma City, Norman, Stillwater, Tulsa, Bartlesville, Muskogee, going to Fort Smith. Now the models just look ridiculous on this one. So Tuesday at 1 p.m. something will happen between 1 and 4 p.m. and an explosive supercell will form super close to Tulsa.
I-70 east of Park and Grainfield in Kansas. This is associated with the severe thunderstorm that's coming into Hoxie, Kansas right now. But
so
this isn't even the severe part. This is just the outflow boundary, just kicking up a ton of dust.
But that could be quite an explosive cell there. But then something will happen between 4 and 7 p.m. and we'll have a large squall line capable of producing tornadoes embedded in it, large hail, and damaging winds. And just look at between Tulsa and Oklahoma City, where we're going to have all that large hail, and even behind it, near Walton, where we could have more large hail. But then this because of Boeing saying the squall line has moved southeast towards McAllister and kind of the general southeastern Oklahoma area, but then it shifts south and goes into Texas. Now, whatsoever, I do not believe this model at all. We will see on the HRRR probably Monday morning. But things are definitely going to change as of right now. This is just unbelievable to actually be the case. But we will see if we actually do have a squall line that hits Oklahoma City with very large hail at 7 p.m. on Tuesday. Because I don't know why, I just don't believe that whatsoever. Alright, now is the part where I answer your questions here, guys. Or see if you guys have any questions to chat with you.
Holy wow. Holy wow. Yeah, holy wow.
Now,
oh my gosh, that is just incredible.
Oh, tomorrow we do have a slight risk of severe weather as well. So, there's that. I didn't even realize we have a slight risk of severe weather tomorrow. So, slight risk includes Woodward tomorrow. We saw that storm pop. We saw the storms pop up earlier that I thought was Monday's storm, and it wasn't. Those are the storms that I was originally talking about.
Yeah, everybody's got the shot of a lifetime here. once again, if you're just now tuning in, this is a live look at the outflow from a very strong storm that's coming into Hoxie, Kansas right now. That storm's capable of producing 70 miles
Let's
per hour
just
winds
pull
and
up this.
golf-ball-size hail.
But yeah, we'll have a broken squall. Yeah, I'm pulling up the HRRR for this, or pulling up a model for the storms tomorrow, just to see. Okay, on my own side, because I'll just kind of tell you guys what I'm seeing here. So it looks like around 6 p.m. we're going to have that broken squall line in northwestern Oklahoma. Probably around the Elias Woods, Elias and Woodward County area. And then it will just fizzle out around 7 o'clock. Wait, not 7 o'clock. Let's see. Yeah, it'll just fizzle out around 8 o'clock. We'll still have storms going, but they'll be intensely weaker. And then, I believe now at 9 o'clock, that's when they just kind of completely disappear.
It's so tall.